Times our investigation, the DGCA will look into the matter. That's the comment coming in from the Civil Aviation Minister. Listen in.
What do you want to say? We are investigating. Already the 500 last year, the license will be issued being investigating. 3 have been dictated. Everything they are examining. There is examining every certificate. Then they go. The direct them to go through back more. So more. Then let us see how does it come out. Then examiner system also I announced in the parliament going to be changed.
So you said that you'll be examining the licenses of the last how many years is it? Have you set up any time frame of X number of years?
No, I told the DGCA to look into it. The last year already done. Go to the past. How many years they will report to me how much they can do. Let me see. 4,500 licenses have been issued.
So are you looking into
you will scrutinize all the licenses?
That is the last part of my statement is that how the future examiners have to conduct. It should be to check the fraud as much as possible.
So one more question, sir. There were doubts that even some people from DGCA could be involved because such a huge racket cannot...
But I'm not, that is also be looked into. I'm not denying that. This allegation I also heard. But look at the whole thing. There are many young pilots, their father also doing the same job. This whole thing is there, if you look at the whole thing, you can see. I'm not accusing anybody, but anybody can be a pilot. But whether these pilots, some of them has come with a fraudulent method, that's the main question. That is, we have to check it, and we'll check it also. And our decision is to go for a police action also. That is the inquiry by the police officers, and it's a criminal case. So this is a criminal act, so a criminal case will be done. That's the position.
One more thing, sir. This is on the sailors. They've been making fervent appeals to you, the Prime Minister, the President, but still the matter is continuing. So how we are looking into it?
Looking into the government can only through the different sources of negotiation. I'm not dealing with that. It's done by the MEA. They're doing it, but through the negotiation of different sources. And I think one Egyptian fellow is not turning up. He's the owner of the ship. I think he's not turning up. Usually we do it through different sources. This fellow is not turning up. That's another problem. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Well, there you heard the Civil Aviation Minister on the Times Now investigating, saying the DGCA is looking into the matter and if necessary, criminal proceedings will be initiated into the fake pilot license scam.